By the age of 50, 85% of men have significantly lost a portion of their hair. We offer a permanent solution for both men and women. Our highly trained physicians and staff have successfully treated over 20,000 patients over the last 18 years. We're results driven. Our number one purpose is to change people's lives for the better. NeoGraft is a state-of-the-art technology. It's a very safe and simple process. We actually remove each hair follicle individually and then replace it individually. There is minimal downtime and it's very simple to do. The hair transplanted with NeoGraft is your own and will start to grow naturally after a short recovery period. The result is a full head of hair that looks natural because it is. Hair loss can be an emotional part of the aging process. It can affect your self-worth and confidence. Having a fuller head of hair makes all the difference in the world. Visit us today for a free consultation and see how we can change your life.